What's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, then welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I wanted to do a makeup tutorial on this pumpkin inspired makeup look. I haven't done any fall videos on my channel, and I thought it would be a good idea to start off with a makeup look inspired by pumpkins. So you guys know I had to wear an orange sweater, I had to put out some pumpkins for decorations, and to be honest, I just didn't want to do homework today. I wanted to do something fun and creative, so this is my fun and creative thing for today. And yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy the video, and let's get started. Okay guys, so for my foundation, I like to go in with these two products. This is the All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation by Nars and the Infallible Pro Matte Foundation by LOreal. These are basically my go-tos. I use them in every single video, but I just like to mix them together and put them on. So next I'm going to go in with some powder, and the one I'm using is a powder foundation, and this one just helps to set my foundation and give my skin a little bit more color. So next I'm going to be using the Marc Omega Bronze. This one is in the shade Tan-tastic 104, and I love this bronzer so much because it's so subtle. It's more of a cool tone bronzer, but it's very buildable as well, so I like to use this one to chisel out my cheekbones. Next I'm going to be using the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. This one is my favorite, and it's in the shade Light 2.5 Creme Brûlée. So I'm just going to put this under my eyes, anywhere where I have blemishes, and then I just like to blend with a beauty sponge. So to set my under eyes and basically everywhere that I concealed, I'm going to be using the Neutrogena Shine Control Powder. And also using this on the eyelids helps to set the concealer, but to make a good base for the eyeshadow. So since this is a pumpkin inspired eye look, it wouldn't be right if I didn't have pumpkin named products. So I have a shade by Morphe, the one that I'm going to be using today, which is called Pumpkin, and it's this really pretty like orange color. So I'm going to put that on the crease as my transition color. And I'm also going to take this pumpkin shade and put it on the bottom lash line. And so as I'm putting it on the bottom lash line, I like to wing it up. So next I'm going to be using my Tarteist Pro palette, and I'm going to be using the shade right here called Edgy. Just put it right on the crease, a little bit under this orange shade, just to create a bit of dimension in the eye. So that shade Edgy is actually really pigmented, which is making it a little bit hard to blend with the Morphe shade. So what I want to do is actually keep the pumpkin color right here, maybe make it a little bit brighter, and then put a dark color on the lid. But regardless, I have to try and smoke this color out as much as I can so that it looks a little bit more seamless when I put a darker color on the lid. Okay guys, so next comes the lid shade, and I'm going to put Edgy on there first, which again I'll show you guys is the same shade that I used on the crease right now, this one right here, because I'm thinking of using this one, which is called Smoked, but first I want to start with that one so that it doesn't end up being like too black and too dark. So I'm going to start with Edgy, and I'm just using a synthetic brush to apply it because I don't want it to be as pigmented as it was on this eye. Okay, that's a little patchy, but we're gonna work with it. So since it's a little patchy, I'm going to use the Morphe M533 to try and smoke everything together. This brush is really good to blend out shadows, so if you're looking for a good one, it doesn't matter like what color it is, it just helps to smoke everything out really nicely. Okay, so I just put a bit of the pumpkin shade on this brush, and I'm just trying to smoke out the top of the dark shade so that it blends nicely with the pumpkin color in the crease. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing to this eye, and I'll be right back. So this is what both eyes look like. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the bottom lash line, and I'm going to be using the color Edgy, which is that first dark shade that I used, and put that towards the middle maybe, and then smoke it out a little bit, and then towards the end I'm just going to put Smoked. And now I'm going to go in with my fluffy brush and dip it into Pumpkin a little bit and smoke this out a bit. So next I'm going to tightline my waterline with this Marc eyeliner. So for mascara, I'm going to be using the Badgal Bang Mascara by Benefit. I love this one for very like dramatic lashes, and since this is a very dramatic fall look, it just seems right. So I'm going to go ahead and put my false lashes off camera. Today I'm going to be using the Faux Mink lashes by Ardell that look like this. So I'm going to actually be putting these on off camera because I can never put false lashes on camera. So this is what the lashes look like. Now coming in to finish my makeup, I'm going to do my eyebrows really quick because I realized that I didn't do that yet. So I like to use the Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit. And now I'm just going to go ahead and do my highlight. And so for lips, I'm going to be using the Pumpkin Lip Kit by Kylie. I think that this is only appropriate to use pumpkin eyeshadow, use pumpkin lipstick. And you're done. Just kidding. So I'm gonna let this dry and I'll show you guys the finished look. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, like always, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.